and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install custom maps in Minecraft 1.13. First off though, be sure to check out the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protective server that will be up all the time. If you want to play Minecraft with your friends, that is how to do it. It's only going to cost you $1 per month. You can't get a better deal out there, guys. Go check it out. That's first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC server. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get a custom map installed. So the first thing you need to do is download a custom map, and luckily in the description down below you've got this, our entire list of 15 custom maps for 1.13. I'm in the process of updating this list now, and it will be updated most likely by the time you're watching this video, unless you're watching it like the day or the day after it comes out. But when you get to this, it'll say 15 custom maps for 1.13. We've got everything from parkour maps to adventure maps. Everything is linked here, but because this article isn't yet updated, some of these are updated, some of these aren't. Nevertheless, I've got a map over here that is updated, and I've also linked this in the description down below. This is for Minecraft 1.13 pre-release, but it'll still work on the normal 1.13. And yeah, looks like a pretty cool parkour map. It's got really high votes here, over 101 votes for a total 4-star rating. So to me, that says this is going to be pretty good. Let's download the map. Now, sometimes it'll take you off to AdFly. If it does, just click skip ad in the top right. But as you can see, ours automatically downloaded down here in our downloads folder. We're good to go. Now let's go ahead and minimize this. And we're going to go into our downloads folder here. Just click on it and then click open in Finder. And in this, we want to go ahead and double click on this file to unzip it, right? Boom, that unzips it. Now, we're not done yet. We need to then click down on this file here, open it up, and make sure it immediately opens us up to data packs, dim1, dim-1, all that stuff, right? You should see all of this. If yours says like the map name or something else, keep going, right? I'm going to do this just as an example. So let's say ours said, right, I had another folder called 99W Parkour, right, like this, right? What you would do is click on this, right? Not that, my bad. You would click on this unzipped file. You'd have this inside of it. Then you click on that. When you see data packs, dim1, dim-1, all of this stuff, click the back arrow up here, and then take this and drag it to your desktop. Then you can delete everything out of your downloads folder. Now, when you open up 99W Parkour, whatever the name of your map is, you should see this. Data packs, dim1, dim-1, all that stuff should be there. Once you've got that, you need to hit Command, Shift, and G on your keyboard at the exact same time, and that's going to open up this. Then in here, you want to paste this. This is in the description down below as well. Just go down there, copy it, and paste it here. If you don't want to do that, it's tilde/library/application/support/. Then click go. It's going to open up this where you then want to find where it says Minecraft. Right here's our Minecraft folder. Go ahead, double click on that, and then in here you should have a saves folder right there. If for whatever reason you've never created a map in Minecraft, you could go ahead and right click, create a new folder and title it saves, all lowercase, but you most likely have. Go ahead and open up your saves folder here, drag your 99W Parkour over into it. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to remove this from iCloud Drive? If this is on your desktop, yeah, you do. Go ahead and click move. And now we can go ahead and open up Minecraft 1.13. It really is that easy, guys. So we're launching into 1.13 here. And in the meantime, if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, if you've got any questions, post those in the comment section down below. We are more than happy to help you out in any way, shape, or form. Now, if we click on single player here, we have 99W Parkour. Double click on it. It's going to say this. Basically, it's for the pre-release version, not actual 1.13. If your map is created for 1.13, you won't have to do this, but I know what I'm doing. We're good here. Once we load into the map, you'll be able to see it is fully installed and parkourable. Is that the word? Yeah, let's go with that. So here we are in the map. You know, you can read all of the stuff, all of that. Let's go ahead and just click Start Map here so we can start on our parkour adventure. So we've got to like jump on this and then jump up there. I suck at parkour, but the map is installed. I'm also dying now. Nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And again, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Mac tutorials. As mods are updated to 1.13, we will be doing tons of tutorials on those. So be sure to subscribe for that. Nevertheless, guys, my name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown, and I am out, guys. Peace.